and gentlemen, this message is for Norwegian passengers traveling on Norwegian flight TY7114 with service to Rome.
Boundless green, huge biodiversity, pristine beaches and a versatile nature with different microclimate. Tropical east and west coast and wet and nippy mountains too. This is Costa Rica. We were used to travel whenever and wherever we want in the past years. But now, since the pandemic appeared, everybody had to stay at home. Moving to different places in the world wasn't possible anymore. Since borders opened and countries are willing to welcome people again, the desire for change and new adventures tempt to go abroad again. It was time for us, leaving the own boundaries and do something new and go to a place we've never been before. So we chose a country, a paradise in between two oceans and a great flora and fauna, Costa Rica. As we started our journey, challenges were hard and hurdles felt bigger than usual. Reconnecting to ourselves took longer, so everyone had to find his personal way to feel completely comfortable with itself. But finally, we managed it. And then, the wild part of the trip started and we were sucked into adventures immediately. Steep and rocky roads that led to broken tires. Roads that ended up in rivers which we had to cross with a 4x4 that wasn't constructed for such endeavors. Rides on smaller roads through the jungle until we reached our destination after 4 hours of traveling. All these conditions are absolutely common in Costa Rica's secluded corners, but in the end, the result is just overwhelming. What we found were beautiful and segregated beaches, untouched wildlife, and absolutely kind people. Costa Rica's powerful atmosphere with its always present green has such an enormously positive impact on your well-being. Especially for me, I love a climate where you can be outdoor without dressing up much and freezing after a while. Okay, the freezing part is also possible in this country. In a height of around 2,500 meters, nights are cold and day temperatures are low depending on the weather conditions. We faced extra strong and icy winds when we spent the night in a cabin at the Costa Rican mountains. It's fantastic to feel those differences so close to the action. I think we are going to be back. Anytime.